Oh, Algebra 1B students, we're looking at Unit 4, Lesson 7, cumulative practice problems here. We're just taking a look and analyzing this graph of the time of day and temperature, Fahrenheit. So our ends are down here, the time of day. We got that from up here. Gives the temperature in degrees and n hours since midnight. So n hours since midnight. So these are the hours of midnight. So, you know, from n, when n equals 1 is going to be like in here somewhere, because this would be 2.5. I know this graph is probably a little bit difficult to read. 2.5 and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5. 8, 9, 10, and so on. We have some 0.5s in there, but anyways, so from 1 to 5, so like 1 is over here to 5, we have a negative. We have a negative interval, average rate of change. And then 5 to 7, so 5 to 7 in here is pretty much going to be a 0, doesn't change. 10 to 20, 10 all the way to 20, 10 to 20. If we just take 10 to 20, you could see a positive rate of change. 15 to 18, so 15's here, 18's in here somewhere. It's pretty much flat up here, so we're going to say 0. And then 20 to 24, 20 to 24 is going to be negative, and pretty steep negative. Try 2 on your own. Try to analyze that graph there. And number 3, we're going to think about squirrels and trees. The height in feet of a squirrel running up and down a tree is a function of time in seconds. Here are statements describing the squirrel's movement during 4 intervals of time. Match each description with a statement about the average rate of change of the function for that interval. So the squirrel runs up the tree very fast. Think about that. It's going up very fast. So the height, we're going to see a positive increase, and so it's good. The average rate of change is large and it's positive. A. The squirrel starts and ends at the same height. That's obviously going to be the average rate of change is 0B. The squirrel runs down the tree. That one's going to be the average rate of change is negative. It's just going to be negative. And you have a couple negatives here, so how do you tell the difference? Well, this squirrel runs up the tree. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not a negative. This is a positive. This is the other positive. So you have the very fast and you have very slowly. So very slowly is going to be the average rate of change is small and it's positive. Okay. All right, and then, you know, try to check out this chart and try to answer those questions for number 4 also. Go ahead and make mistakes. We learn from doing that. We learn from making mistakes and correcting them. So good luck with the other ones.